How to deactivate your X account. This quick tutorial will show you the exact steps to do it. First, open the X app and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Next, select Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Your Account. Here, you'll see the Deactivate Your Account option. Tap on it to continue. X will now display some important information about account deactivation. Take a moment to review the details, then scroll down and tap the red Deactivate button. Next, enter your account password to verify your identity. After entering your password, tap Deactivate again. Since I won't be deactivating my own account during this tutorial, if you're ready to proceed, simply select Yes, Deactivate Your Account on your device to confirm the action. Once confirmed, X will take a few moments to process your request, and your account will be deactivated successfully. And that's it. That's how you can deactivate your X account in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more X app tips, social media tutorials,